When you walk into a dark room, the first thing you probably do is turn on the lights. Light from light bulbs enables us to see indoors. No matter where you are, without light, we cannot see. Have you ever thought about how important light is? What are some of the ways we use light? What exactly is light? And where does light come from? During the next few minutes, we're going to answer these questions as we explore light. If you've ever tried to take a walk on a very dark night, you know that it's difficult to find your way. This is because at night there is very little light. During the day, you see things due to the presence of light. You decide what part of your body detects light. That's right, your eyes detect light. The human eye is designed to detect light and the many different colors of light. When our eyes are shut, light cannot enter and we cannot see things. We take for granted that at night it gets dark, and in the morning it becomes light. What causes the light of day? The sun is the object in space that provides Earth with light. As Earth rotates on its axis during a 24-hour period, we spin toward and then away from the sun. This causes us to experience the light of day and the darkness of night. So, as you can see, the sun provides us with light every day. The moon can also be a source of light at night, but it provides much less light than the sun. And the moon does not produce its own light, but reflects light from the sun. You observe. Is this fire giving off light? Yes, it is. Some things, such as fire flares and glowing objects, also produce light. In buildings, electricity powers light bulbs that produce light. Batteries also power useful things, such as flashlights, that produce light. These are just a few of the many different ways that light is produced around us. Have you ever thought about what light is? In simple terms, light is a type of energy. Even though it's not a living thing, light has characteristics that make it kind of lifelike. For example, light moves. It moves outward from the thing that produces it. Light travels from the sun, for example, to the earth. And light also moves from stars that are millions of kilometers away. Light also has the ability to bounce off things. When you look in a mirror, light is reflected off the surface of the mirror so you can see yourself. Light travels in straight lines. It's made up of tiny energy particles too small to be seen with the naked eye. We already discussed how light from the sun enables us to see in daytime. But the sun provides living things on Earth more than just a means to see. Did you know that plants use the sun's light energy to make their food? When we eat plants, such as carrots and apples, we benefit from the food produced by these plants. You observe. How does the driver see the road at night? The car has headlights, so the driver can see the road. In some cases, light is used to illuminate things, such as these water fountains. In other cases, light tells us how to act. And some lights create beautiful sights for us to enjoy. During the past few minutes, we explored some of the amazing things about light. To begin, we took a look at the difference between day and night. And we saw how the sun provides light for us on Earth. We discussed how our eyes are responsible for detecting light around us, enabling us to see. Next, we learned about some of the different things that give off light, including the sun, moon, fire, and electric light bulbs. Then we saw examples of the many ways we use light. This rounded out our exploration of light. Fill in the correct word to complete the sentence. Number 1. The human senses light. Number 2. The provides Earth with light. Number 3. Light is a type of. Number 4. Light moves in lines. And number 5. Plants use light energy to make